welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. I'm about to install this unit from Bobbi Boss. This is their Marlene, and the color on this unit is it. It does have a 13x4 lace, and it does have 2 combs in the front, 1 on each side and 1 comb in the back. This unit does come with pre-cut baby hairs, and they definitely were the truth. Like, I had no problem laying them edges. I'm going to use my black opal and ebony. I use this darker tint to tint my lace. Now for me, once I've tinted my lace, I like to cut my lace with my unit off my head. It just makes it easier for me to install, but you know, there's no rhyme or reason. However you feel comfortable, cut your lace before or after. Now the only thing with cutting your lace off your head, you just want to make sure you are very careful and do not cut your baby hairs off that are already pre-cut. I ran out of the lace spray that I normally use, and I forgot that I had this bold hole liquid gold, so I'm just going to use this. I barely use this one, but it'll get the job done. Now when you lay your lace, you want to make sure you get all the hair out of the way that does not need to be laid. So I'm just pinning mine back with some claw clips, I think that's what you call them. And I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it while I'm letting my edges lay, because it was looking a little bit poofy, and it's already a synthetic unit, so I had to finesse it a little bit. Baby, you see how I laid this lace? Ooh, it's laid. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that darker concealer that I have, just so I can make that lace not look ashy, and so it can blend in with my skin a little bit better, even though we already know this is a lace front synthetic unit, but I'm gonna make it as realistic as possible. I'm just gonna go back in with my Got To Be glue, and then I'm going to lay all these baby hairs. I didn't know which way I wanted to lay them, so I was just going with what my ancestors was telling me to do, and it came out cute. And a little side note, when you are laying your edges, you kind of want to be a little bit careful not to pull your lace up that you just laid. So just be a little bit gentle with your baby hairs and style them and lay them however you choose. I ended up just going with something very subtle because the hair is already loud, so I didn't want to give too much of a crazy lay to my baby hairs. So 2 little swoops did it just for me. Now once you lay your baby hairs, you do want to tie them just so they can be very sleek, and so they can actually kind of help secure your units down as well. So I just leave mine tied for about another 5 minutes or so. I also didn't like how this part was looking, so I just went on in and added a little bit of that concealer that I had to kind of make it look a little less fake, a little bit more realistic. Y'all, look at the colors on this side. The orange mixed in with that burgundy. Child, you can't tell me nothing. One thing I can say about a Bobbi Boss unit, they very rarely tangle, so it felt like I was combing like a human hair unit. Like, look at that. no tangle. I'm not too sure how long this unit really is, but it was pretty long. And with this being a 13x4 lace, you can wear this unit multiple ways. This way, I just flipped it over to put that burgundy hair mixed in with that black, and honey, that's a style. Now this one is my favorite. I love me a half up, half down. I look like a freaking baby doll. Y'all have to let me know which style was your favorite. Y'all can already tell which one was my favorite. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. And until the next time, bye.
Been a few hours when it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.